Hi loves, Lexie here. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me and joining me here today. So, of course, I've kind of messed up on my brow thing. I was going to have the whole month of June be all brows and everything every single Thursday, but some things got in the way. I will explain later in the video, and that didn't happen. But, so now you're going to get like a spam of all kinds of brows, and I mean, that's awesome. I love brows. So today our brow focus is the Milani Easybrow Brow Fiber Gel or Tinted Fiber Gel. It's a really nice gel and I'm going to show you how I used it in my brows today. I'm going to give you all my thoughts on it, and trust me, there were a lot of thoughts. I was very opinionated on this one. They were all good things, don't worry, but lots of opinions. If you want to learn more about this very affordable, awesome product, keep watching. Into this tutorial and review of the Milani Easybrow Brow Gel. I'm going to show you how it performs and then tell you my little thoughts about it here and there. First, let me do one brow off camera. Alright guys, so first I have one brow done and then we're going to work on this brow. First I'm going to show you the packaging. First, this particular one is in the shade 04, which is brunette. These are very nicely priced, I feel, for what they are. I mean, I don't think this is expensive at all. I have a link down below so you can check out this and purchase it on your own or find locations that you can purchase this at. I know Marshall sells them here and there. Target's definitely a great place to get them. I think Myers maybe. Any kind of CVS, you know. Regardless. So this did have a full product, but I have been using it for about a month now. So there is a lot of bubblage in there. This product does seem to go kind of fast, but it's a really nice product. As you can see, one brow without it and one brow with it, it looks really, really nice. So the brush you get is a tiny little tapered spoolie. It's bigger on the end, short on the top, and it just kind of fills up with the product. You just kind of just swish it in and take it out, and then it's got the product on it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to sweep this through the brows like so. If you want, you can comb the brows upward as you're doing it to make sure each brow gets coated with product, and then just keep going along. One thing I do like about this formula is if you do mess up, it's very easy to wipe away. But I'll talk about the formula in a second. This is really hard to do without a mirror. Okay, I'm going to pick up a mirror and then we'll see how this works. Okay, so like I said, just sweep through the brow. If you want to sweep up to help coat the hairs, that's perfect. And then just kind of like flatten them down towards the end. Now, the front is always the tricky part, so what I usually do is I just start at the bottom and just kind of like brush upwards as it coats the hair. And just continue to do that till I get like the desired like effect that I want. It just kind of feathers them, and I just like them to be a little more colored up at the front. So there you go. It's still really natural, but it's got some color in it, and your brows are not going to go anywhere. They're going to stay flat all day. Alright guys, and my brows are done. There is a shadow right now, so this brow looks a little bit darker, but that's not the case. Final thoughts on this is I love the color. I feel like the brunette goes really well with my eyebrow color that I desire. I mean, of course, you can go lighter, darker. These days, hair does not matter. You can have blonde hair and black eyebrows. I've seen it so many times. Not that I think it personally looks great, but I mean, you do you, honey. You do you. So, I feel like this is a great color match according to its name. I feel like the fiber gel is very easy to work with. You just comb it through your brows. It also is very easy to wipe away if you make a mistake. As you saw, I made a little bit of a mistake on the outside of my brow here, and I just wiped it away really quickly. I feel like this stuff does dry really quickly. It doesn't feel heavy on the brows, which is always a good thing because you never want something to feel like you have like just a lot of product on your brows. You want them to be kind of natural and just, it's just annoying to have like that feeling of like heaviness on your face. Like it's so gross. So gladly this does not give it. While it's still wet, you can feel it though, which can be a little confusing because you're just gonna be like, when it dries, is it still gonna feel like that? No, when it dries, it's like completely fine. It doesn't stay wet for a very long time either. I would say it takes maybe around 2 minutes to 3 minutes to dry fully, but you can definitely touch your brows within that period and it won't really mess them up a lot. Also through that period, it's great to like touch up your brows. So if you like missed a spot, let it dry a little bit. See that it's not fully covered, and then you just kind of sweep through a little bit more. That's fine. It is buildable. I feel like I can definitely build through this. As you saw when I was doing the beginning of my brows, it was very easy to build on the color till it got to where I wanted it to be. When it dries, your brows don't feel really tacky, they don't feel hard, but they do stay in place, which is very necessary when you're like, you don't know, you don't want like some weird brow hair just randomly sticking out. You want it to stay down. I recommend using this product with another product. I like using this with a brow pomade or something, just because I kind of like my brows very defined, but this is defined but still really natural. So this would be great for natural days, or if you just don't like wearing a lot of makeup or you don't like having the hassle. It literally takes like 2 minutes to do your brows and you're fine. Touch-ups throughout the day. I do touch-ups with this. Is it water friendly? No. I did wear this to the beach once because I didn't want a lot of makeup on, but I still wanted my eyebrows, you know? And yeah, no, water takes it away immediately. Also does high sweat. I have sweated a bunch in this and it comes off. So it's not super long lasting when it comes to water or sweat exposure. But if you don't plan on sweating a bunch, you want to look really natural and really cute with a very easy tutorial, with a very easy little routine to go through every morning, I definitely recommend this. This is great, low maintenance, but looking really well. This is great for low maintenance people that want to look more high maintenance. So yeah, I definitely recommend this, guys. I've been loving this for like a month. I'm telling you, this is an amazing product. I really do love it. And that's all I have to say on this. So I feel like I rambled on for a very long time. I have a lot of feelings. Also, for those who are asking about the giveaway is coming up. I kind of messed up in the month of June and I got very distracted because I went on vacation and I had some driving stuff to take care of. And I also have like a little like school thing I had to do. Since I'm going to Capital, I had to do this orientation thing, and then you have to pick out your classes, and it was just a very busy June for me, and I did not think it was going to be that busy, so that's why I decided to start the series in June, so that I could kind of test the waters before I get too busy again, and then that just completely went out the water. So you're going to get a spam of brow tutorials in the first week of July. So you're going to get a spam of brow tutorials in the first week of July, probably starting around Monday. And after that, I will do my monthly makeup and then start the next month's focus videos. I am going to try my hardest to keep up with it. Like I said, life is just totally against me, like all the time. Whenever I'm like totally dedicated to something, life is just like, are you sure about that? You know? Also, any questions about the background? The background is, non-existent right now. It's really hard to do a background when you're like doing everything else. It's really hard to get a background like to stay anywhere, so I am kind of looking into Amazon to see if I can get like any kind of mounts so I can like permanently mount my background to my ceiling, or at least put some hooks in so that I can like hang up my background when I want. And I would be doing that in my bedroom so that I'd have really good lighting. Not in this room where the lighting is great, but the background is definitely not going to happen in here. It's too messy. There's just too much stuff cluttering, so the background would get all like rumpled up and everything. In my bedroom, everything's like clear, and I can do this. So, still working on it. I'm sorry. I might go to like Hobby Lobby or something and see they have something, but I don't know. Still working on it. Alright, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Again, I'm still having my giveaway. I know I am at 108 subscribers right now, and I promised to give away at 100. I am still doing it. I have the giveaway picked up. I'm trying to figure out how to do the giveaway where it would be fair to everybody. I'm thinking I'm going to make a comment system and then like do a random comment generator and pick anybody like from that, whatever it generates. But I'm still trying to work out the kinks. I'm also finding a nice sized box or maybe a bubble mailer so that none of the products get damaged. And yeah, I'm figuring out a lot of stuff right now. It's a lot of work, okay? Giveaways are actually like a lot of work. I don't think anybody understands that, but it's a lot. And it's like my first one, and I'm trying to figure it out all myself. Like, it's a lot. Anyway, so my next giveaway would actually be at 500 subscribers, and then after that, 1,000. Of course, it's going it's going to get bigger and better every single time. Eventually, a giveaway is going to include a full face of makeup, and I might even pick a person and then buy a foundation shade to go with it, so that it would be kind of universal and conclusive for everybody. But yeah, they're just plans for the future. I gotta figure out this one before I work on that one. So yes, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all my reviews linked below. I will have all my reviews linked in one of these corners, and I will have a playlist of my reviews linked in one of these corners. Also a photo of my face that you can click on to subscribe or check out my channel and check out all the other videos I have. I have tons of content, guys. Like, I might be really bad at posting, but I have a lot of content, so go ahead and check it out. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!